Alright, in this video we're going to cover the clamp. So when you order one, it'll come in a box. These will be individually wrapped. You can take the plastic right off. You can see they open and close. I like to keep mine closed when I assemble it. Here's the back bar. This is going to be to the back. So this would be the part that goes into the machine. Now there is a lip here, so the edge of your pantograph rides right next to this lip. Don't go in any further, otherwise it's going to make your clamp tilt. You want it nice and smooth and even with your pantograph here when you install it. You get 2 set screws, 3mm Allen head set screw, and this is the nut. This nut goes onto the back side of this bar. So as I said, this is the bar. I'll flip it over. Here's the back side. This would be where the nut goes into here. Get it flush. So as you can see, it should slide with the squared edge on the bar. I just kind of hold mine in place. And then I will align. As you can see, you have a raised up ridge here. That's where it lines up on that track. Line it up with the nut, and then insert your screw. Take my Allen wrench, tighten it up just a little bit. Doesn't have to be super tight or anything right now. We're just installing it. So as you can see, that's your adjustment. Once you have it together, that's just one arm. So now I need to do the second arm here. Same thing, we're going to take the nut, put it onto the back side of that bar. So that's how you put together the clamp. And then of course you can make the adjustments on your sewing parameters, however big your design is. You want to make sure you have enough room there for your designs. And you can adjust them fully out. Take mine to the full out position. I'll tighten up my arms here. So there we go. Clamp is together. Arms are tight. Now the clamp does not come with set screws to attach to your machine, but most machines have a toolbox. If you look in your toolbox, you'll find a variety of set screws. You can usually find a set screw in your toolbox that will match up with the threads here. Again, another 3mm set screw that I found. And there we go. So it's going to be in the corners, each corner here, to tighten down to the machine when you install it on your machine. And again, you want to make sure you keep that lip with the pantograph flush. You don't want to go past this, because then instead of being at a nice, if you go past it, it's going to probably pitch the angle a little bit because of that lip. That's how you fully assemble your clamp. Next, I will show you on the machine how to install it a little bit here. Okay, so as you can see, we have no tubular arms on. They usually attach here and here. So both sets of arms have come off. And when I take my clamp to install it, I usually come from behind like this and then bring it in. And then what I want to do is line it up with my pantograph, as I said, right here. So we will make sure this edge is aligned up with this edge. So you don't want to go past that. There we go. Tighten the right side and then tighten the left side. Make sure these are fully tight. Don't want these to move around on you. There we go. Open and close for your garment or whatever you're going to sew on. Clamp it down. Again, all this is attaching to the pantograph back here. I tend to tighten them finger tight and then I snug them up just a little bit more. That way it doesn't move on me. There we go. So that's how you attach it to the back side on the pantograph as well. So this video is showing you how to assemble your clamp once you buy it and actually install it on the machine. Hope this helps.